Hi, I'm Mark. This is Mark's Tech Vlogs on YouTube, and today I'm going to bring you guys a review of the Creatulize Bot X1. Now, this is an automatic vacuum product designed to be used on your bed, but it can also work on places like your sofa. Now, this product has just launched on Kickstarter last week, and I've very kindly been sent one by Creatulize. And a lot of the time on this channel, the tech I tend to review is tech I've purchased for myself or tech I'm familiar with when a company reaches out. And this is where this product differs, because when Creatulize reached out, this is a product category I didn't really know existed, and it sent me down a bit of a rabbit hole. And it turns out mattress vacuums are actually a thing. And so I went back to Creatulize and said, yes, send me one, I'd love to review it. And so having put this thing through its paces in the last week to bring you guys this review, I found myself going, actually, I understand why people need one of these. So let's kick off the review and start off by talking about pricing. Now, pricing is always slightly odd with Kickstarter, but when this product does get released properly, it's going to have an RRP of $300. Now, because it's on Kickstarter, there are all sorts of discounts available at the moment. So at the moment, you can pick one up for as low as $150. Or if you want a pack with a spare filter and a spare roller brush, it will cost you $160. If you're interested, I have put a link to the Kickstarter below. Now, if you compare the Kickstarter price to other mattress vacuum cleaners on Amazon, it's actually not much different. So if you go for a high quality mattress vacuum from Amazon, which is a manual one, it's going to cost you about £120. This isn't that different to the X1 when you consider the X1 is a fully automated device. And actually, even at the full retail price of $300, I don't think it's bad value for the automated features. So pricing aside, let's talk about the actual product and start off by talking about the design and some of the features on the device itself. So this is a small robotic vacuum cleaner, and as I said, it's designed to clean dust mites and pet hair from your bed or your sofa. The design itself has a grey body with a dust collector on top, which is clear with a gold cap. This sits in place thanks to some magnets and is super easy to remove, and then that cap just removes with a little twist. This makes it really easy for emptying, and you even get a little brush in the pack to help you clean that filter when you do empty it. The top also has an LED light which is used for showing the status of the device and the charge status when you're charging it. And then the top has two buttons. There's a start-stop button and a mode button. There's a speaker built into this device as well, so you get audio feedback based on the mode that you've chosen or whether it's starting or stopping. On one side you have the power button which you use for turning it on, although it kind of switches itself off after use, so you don't really need to turn it off. And then on the back there's a USB-C port for charging. Now, I've been charging this just using my regular USB-C phone cable, and I found that it takes between 1 to 2 hours to be fully charged. The sides of this device have a variety of sensors on as well. And then the front is sloped, which gives it a little bit of character. And then finally on the bottom you've got two retractable wheels, and then you've also got a ton of sensors and a roller brush. There's also a UV light on the bottom which is used for sterilising, and I'll talk more about that in a second. In the box you also get some wheel covers which you can use on those wheels for putting the robot into manual mode. And then of course in the box you also get your usual charging cable and instructions. Plus that little brush I talked about earlier for cleaning the filter. So let's talk about the spec. So this vacuum has 14 AW of suction power. Now this is plenty powerful enough to do its job well without destroying or sucking up your bedsheet or duvet cover. It also has a 270 nm UVC LED light on it. This is used for sterilisation, and this can achieve 99.99% of mite elimination. The sensors built in mean that these LED lights turn off automatically when you pick the device up for safety. And the stats above aren't stats that Creatulize claim, these are stats they actually had tested independently, which is great to see. And this is especially important when you're buying a product before its proper release. It also has 3 modes. There's a soft mode which is designed for daily use, there's a powerful mode which is designed for weekly use, and then there's a precision mode, and Creatulize say this is designed for using on neglected beds and also in damp weather. That means you're probably going to use this precision mode the first time you pick this up and use it. You can also put it into manual mode using those wheel caps that come with it. Once they're on, to enable manual mode you hold down the mode button and then press the power button. This then allows you to use this as a handheld device for cleaning things like pillows. This bot also has a battery inside which Creatulize say will last for up to an hour, but in using it I found I can easily get 1 to 2 hours out of it. And as I said before, it charges really quickly as well. And then of course the whole design of this is that it's designed to work on uneven surfaces like your bed. This means you can use it on your bedsheet or even on your duvet cover and even on places like your sofa. And actually, in putting this through its paces, I was curious and I thought, well, how will it handle my kind of deep pile rug that my robot vacuum gets stuck on? So I shoved it on that and it managed to navigate that surface perfectly. And because it's quite a deep pile rug, it could detect the edges and only clean the rug. Now, of course, I did this for testing it for the purpose of this review, and this isn't something you should do with the device because that's not what it's designed to do. And one of the really impressive things about this is the edge detection that's built in, because this is super precise. And as you can see, it gets really close to your edges without falling off. This is some of the most impressive edge detection I have ever seen. And of course, the other detection sensors inside it means that it can easily navigate your entire bed and cover every part of it. It will of course also avoid obstacles with its obstacle detection as well. And then when it comes to maintenance, at some point you might want to replace the brush and the filter. And on Kickstarter, these packs are currently $15, and I suspect this is going to be a price that's kind of going to be ongoing for these spares. You can, however, clean the filter with water if you want to, just make sure it's fully dried before it goes back in for use. So let's talk about using it. And using it is as simple as putting it on the surface you want to clean and turning it on and then selecting the mode you want to use. You then just leave it to do its thing and it will cover the entire surface. Once it's done, it will just stop. And I've tested this on both my duvet cover and also on my bedsheet and also on the sofa, and of course I mentioned that rug that you shouldn't use it on earlier as well. And it just works well every single time. It covers the whole area and it seems to pick up everything you want it to. And the scariest thing is just the amount of stuff it is actually able to pick up that you wouldn't realise is normally there. And that's not just dust, but in my case that's a lot of pet hair as well. And for me, as someone who's coming to this product type, as someone who wouldn't normally think about this product type, I can really understand why people need one of these. And it's certainly going to be something I'm going to keep using beyond this review, especially having seen the amount of stuff that it's just pulled up. And I don't think I'm a particularly gross person, but you might disagree. Don't tell me if you disagree. And one of the things that I've been really impressed with is just how well it navigates even bumpy surfaces like a duvet with a duvet cover on. And then that manual mode is worth mentioning briefly, because this allows you to put it into that manual mode and hold it to clean a pillow. And actually this device is light enough that I can hold it with one hand and hold the pillow down with the other. So all in all, what's the verdict on this Creatulize Bot X1? And this is one of those products that I didn't really know what I was going to make of it when it arrived, but I am really impressed. And especially as a cat owner, I can really see the benefits of this because I'm pretty sure I'm due to cough up a fur ball. It navigates surfaces really well and covers all areas. It gets super close to the edge, and then of course it does pick up dust and fur really easily. In addition to that, UV sterilisation is a really great thing to have as well, especially for something like your bed that you spend a lot of time in. And then of course battery capacity is really good as well, and actually even better from my experience than what Creatulize claim. And normally with reviews I try and think about a negative to a product, and actually I'm not sure I can with this because it just does exactly what it says it should and does it really well. This really is one of those products that is just hassle free. You just plonk it on your bed, hit go and leave it to do its thing. If you guys do want to pick one up on Kickstarter, there is a link below. If you've got any questions, do stick them below as well. I know with Kickstarter stuff, it's difficult to find people who've actually tried out a product, and I'm going to keep using this. So if you've got questions about it before you buy it, stick them below and I will answer those for you. I have no affiliation with Creatulize. I am just making an honest review here for you guys. The only thing, as I said at the start, is that they sent it to me to review. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Subscribe to my channel to see my other videos, and I will see you guys again soon.